Jesus does not want to compete for your loyalty. I'm amazed how many people will acknowledge that Jesus saves. He has made you righteous. Yes, yet on some other levels, they think they can pick and choose where to follow His command. Well, if it fits me, if it's comfortable for me, I will follow that command. If Jesus is your Lord, things like love should not be a negotiation. God being your first priority is not a negotiation. We don't add Jesus to our lives. We make Him the center. If Jesus is your Lord, you're not adding Him to your busy schedule. Well, if I've got time, Pastor, then I'll do whatever the church wants me to do. Well, if I've got time, my life is busy, Pastor. No, either Jesus is your Lord or He's not. Either He's your first priority or He's not. Either your life belongs to Him or you can't get half married. That's what living together means. What does it communicate? Half commitment. There's no half measures in God's kingdom. Being disciples should never be a negotiation. Guys, if Jesus is not your Lord, you've lost your voice. You're a Christian that might go to heaven, but on this earth, you've lost your authority.